Looking at the tools along the top, we always start with our arrow or our select tool. When all else fails, click on your select tool. If you're getting confused or stuck, always go back to that tool. We're going to now look at our pen tool or our brush tool. So once we click on it, our screen changes a little. We have options over here to the right. This is the style of our line or our pen. Down to the left side of our panel is the size of our pen. You can see the dot changing in the middle here, depending on what I click on the side. Over to the right is our color. Our only option, since it's a line, will be the border color. So I'm going to change this to a dark blue. And we have a couple of different options. We can do dots. We can do dashes. Speed is usually a thicker type of pen or brush. Marker is slightly thinner brush with a little waves on the end. And our scratch will get kind of that more of that back and forth in a thinner line. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come back. I'm going to select everything by dragging across and deleting them on my keyboard. I'm going to come back here to my pen. I'm just going to go for that plain pencil line. Actually, maybe I'll do more of a marker line to get a little bit of a edge in there. And I'm going to make some ocean waves along here. And that's how we're going to use our pen tool.